Hello student, here is Mukul sir. Once again I am here. The earlier chapter which we were discussing rational numbers. We have already discussed in our earlier videos lots of things about rational numbers, that what are the rational numbers, how we can use this method in different kinds of sums, that how we can solve different sums. तो अलग अलग सम्स में हम रेशनल नंबर्स का यूज करना सीख चुके हैं, मैथ्स को एप्लीकेशन करना सीख चुके हैं. सो विल कंटिन्यू विद आवर अर्लियर वीडियोस. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन कपल ऑफ मोर सम्स. हम और तरह के थोड़े हार्ड सम्स इस वीडियो के अंदर सीखेंगे, दैट हाउ वी कैन डन आवर like lots of exercises. Okay, so in earlier video I have already said to you like what are the rational numbers. Let me give you a quick review of the chapter. The number which is in the form of p by q, it means it's a form of in a numerator by a denominator. Even it can be in a negative form, it can be like a single digit. Okay, so if you will put 1 in a denominator, so even we can say that the all natural numbers are that rational numbers. We can say that thing. So this is a rational number, this is a rational number, this is a rational number. Even we can take any negative number which we can also say this is a rational number, because if we will put as a universal method 1 in a denominator of any number, so we can say it can be converted in a rational number. Even you can consider 0.25 as a rational number. Why? Because if we will remove the point, so we can put 100 over here, so this also become a rational number. So this is just an examples of rational number. Now we are going to focus on of our couple of sums which given in your second half of the exercise. So this video really helps you to complete your exercise 2. So the sums which you will get in your later exercise, like the product and the divisions of the number. We all know the meaning of the product. You just need to do multiplication. So how we can do this? Let's find out. Like suppose if you will get a sums like minus 2 upon 3 in bracket, if there is a multiplication sign over there and there is a given like a minus 3 upon 5. So how you can done this kind of sums? In our last video I have already discussed these sums, but now this time I am going to give you more examples, so the topic will be clear for you. आपको टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा बेसिकली कि अगर इस तरह के सम्स भी आते हैं तो हम किस तरह कर सकते हैं बेसिकली. So I have discussed that the 3 steps over there. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. In first step what you need to do, first of all open the brackets. Okay, so if you will open the brackets, so you will get minus 2 by 3 multiply minus 3 by 5. So in first step what you need to do, you can do first of all open the brackets, and second step you just need to do multiplication. You can do two things over there. Even you can skip the first two, direct third step you can jump and you can skip the second step. What you need to do, if you will do the direct multiplication over here, so you don't need to go on the second step. How you can do this? 2 multiply 3, it will become a 6. 3 multiply 5, it will become 15. So first of all you just need to do multiply. Then after what I have said in my last video, you just need to focus on the sign. The sign method which I have already discussed with you. If you will plus multiply plus, you will get plus. Plus multiply minus, you will get minus. Then again minus multiply plus, you will get minus. And minus multiply minus, you will get plus over here. So in the last step and in the third one, you just need to focus on the signs, that if we will multiply minus into minus, so we will get a positive term. And if you see in the denominator, the positive signs are given, so you will get a positive number. So if you will remain your answer like this, it will be okay. And even if you want to reduce it, so you can. We all know this term is divisible by 3, so we can divide by 3. So you will get 6 divided by 3, you will get 2. 15 divided by 3, you will get 5. So your ultimate answer is 2 by 5. Even if you want to show in a mixed fraction, so you can, but this answer is okay. You will definitely get the marks. So again I am explaining for you. If you will get the sum like this, the two negative numbers multiply to each other. So first of all in first step you have to open the brackets. Then you can take the values out, and in second step what you need to do, you just need to do multiplication. Multiply the numbers. You don't need to focus on the signs, because your first steps, if you will focus on the signs, so definitely you will get confused and there is a chance that you will do any mistake. So it's better to do first of all multiplication, Then in the third step, you just need to take the all signs. That two signs are negative over here, so if you will the multiply two negative signs, your answer will be in a positive according to our this law. Okay, and ultimately if you want to reduce the value, so you can show it like this. So within 3 steps your sum will be done. Don't need to try. Most of students what they will do, like they start to direct the cut the numbers like 3 3 it can be cut, sir. So you can do like this, but first of all problem is that if you will do and directly cut the sum, so there is a chance that your answer will be wrong and you will not get any single marks of steps. If you will show me each and every step in your exam, so there is chance if your answer will suppose if it will come like 3 by 5, so your answer is wrong, but you will get the marks of your step. If this sum come in the 2 marks, so definitely you will get 1 marks for your step. And if even your answer is wrong, so only 1 mark will be deducted. So it will be better if you will go by the step by step. If you will follow the step, so there is a chance definitely you will get a right answer. Even if you will get this question in your MCQ section, अगर आपको MCQ सेक्शन में ये पूरा क्वेश्चन मिलता है एंड 4 ऑप्शंस वहां पे गिवन है, सो सम स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट दे विल डू लाइक A B C D में कुछ भी एक टिक कर दिया, बट दिस इज नॉट अ राइट वे टू डू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस ऑल थिंग्स इन योर रफ नोटबुक. देन आफ्टर वंस यू विल गेट द आंसर, देन आफ्टर आपको उसके बाद ही सही आंसर टिक करना है, क्योंकि अगर आप आंसर रैंडमली टिक करेंगे तो चांस है कि आंसर रॉन्ग ही आएगा. सो इट्स बेटर इवन दिस सम विल कम इन MCQ, इवन इट कम इन अ 2 और 1 मार्क्स. आपको सारे स्टेप के साथ ही सॉल्व करना है ताकि श्योरिटी रहे कि आपका आंसर सही है. तो सेकंड टाइप का सम देखते हैं. लाइक सपोज इफ यू विल गेट सम इन अ डिवीजन, लाइक अगर हमें डिविजन्स में सम मिलते हैं जो मैंने मेरी अगले वीडियो में भी डिस्कस करा है आपके साथ, लाइक 3/7 divided by, if you will take over here 4/49. If you will get sum like this 3/7 divided by 4/49, so again we can say step 1, step 2 and step 3. आपको 3 स्टेप पे ऑलवेज फोकस करना है. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप, हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था डिवीजन के अंदर, सिंपली आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नंबर को रिवर्स करना है. इफ वी कैन से इवन द रेसिप्रोकल यू कैन टेक ओवर हियर, रिवर्स द नंबर. एंड रिवर्स नंबर कहाँ का होता है, ऑलवेज राइट हैंड साइड का. सो 3/7 will be remain same. Put a sign of multiplication y, because according to law multiply will become divide, divide will become multiply, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Okay, so this kind of things happen in the signs. So divide कीजिएगा multiply and number will be reversed. So you can write over here 49 divided by 4 over here. Okay, so first step is done. First step में हम लोगों ने क्या करा, first of all नंबर को first of all put the sign of multiply on the place of divide and reverse the number 49/4. Now you can do one thing, you can skip the step 2. If you don't want to do multiply the number and after reduce the value, अगर आपको multiply करके reverse नहीं करना है तो directly आप लोग cut भी कर सकते हैं. How? That we already know. 7 and 7, 7 7 are 49. So you can directly do this thing, because if you will do the multiply 49 multiply 3, so it will be quite time taking. आपका time ज़्यादा waste होगा, because you know कि कैसे cut कर सकते हैं. So it's easy for you. Now you can do 7 multiply 3, 21, 4 multiply 1, 4. So your answer is here. आपका आंसर आ चुका है 21/4. And even if you want to do multiply first then after divide, so you have to go with second step. तो आपको second step के साथ जाना होगा, पहले multiply and then आपको reverse करना है. But if the signs will be there, suppose if here is -4/49, suppose अगर यहाँ पे -4/49 में देखने के लिए मिलता है तो आंसर में क्या चेंज आएगा. There are no changes in the answer. You can see over here -4/49, so your answer 49/-4. So even if you will cut the values, so same you will get -21/4. So only there is a change of sign. खाली साइन आपका चेंज होगा, बाकी यहाँ पे कुछ चेंज होगा नहीं. बट इफ यू विल गेट नेगेटिव ऑन दिस साइड, अगर आपको इस साइड नेगेटिव मिलता है, we have already learned this thing, whenever you will get a two negative signs in a numerator and denominator, so we all know signs will be cut and our answer will come in a positive form. Okay, So if you will get two negative signs, suppose numerator minus में है, denominator minus में है, sign negative signs will be cut and your answer will be in a positive form. So this is actually how you can complete this kind of sums. You just need to focus only and only on how many steps? 3 steps. Step 1, first of all, change the sign, reverse the number. In second step, multiply the terms, and in third step, reduce the value. If you are very good in calculation, you can skip your second step, directly cut the values and multiply it, you will get your answer. So it's totally up to you, student, how you actually want to do this sum, but it will be better if you will go a step by step, so there is a chance you will get a marks of your steps. So this is how we can complete this kind of sum, students. Hope you got it the method, and this method really helps you in your second half exercises which is given in your rational number chapter. See you in our next session. Bye bye.